Hi, this is the Galaxy F34 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should launch the Gmail application, then tap on the right upper corner, and to log out from Gmail app we should first log out from Google account on our device. So to do that, tap to manage accounts on this device, tap to accounts, click to remove account, and confirm your action by tap to remove account button. If you use some protect options, just enter them. Now we could see that we just successfully logged out from the Google account. So let's go back to the Gmail app, and we could see that we also successfully logged out from the Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.